out my body. Whole click pull up and vets, bitch.
Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe.
How you living? How you feeling? Versatile Squad, y'all. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. Be greatly appreciated, y'all. Let me know how y'all day is doing down in the comment section below, y'all. Today, we're actually gonna be talking about what is it like to daily drive a Corvette, y'all. Anywhere from miles per gallon to how much it costs to fill up. Actually running a little bit low on gas, so we're gonna go ahead and fill up, show y'all how much it cost me, y'all, especially right now, man. Biden shot that gas price up like a mug, man. That thing is a little bit expensive now, but it ain't too bad. Cost to play, right? Also got the GoPro mounted right there, y'all. Give y'all a different view. If y'all haven't seen the video where I scared my fiance in the vet, man, make sure y'all go check it out in the card right here. I should have did that, but don't worry. I got another one coming, y'all. If y'all like that one with my fiance, man, y'all gonna love the one with my mama, y'all. She don't like speed at all, so that one for real gonna be funny. That's gonna be comedy for real. But yeah, y'all, so anywhere from miles per gallon, how much it costs to fill up, how much it costs to do an oil change. We're gonna go through all of that right now. I haven't even started her up this morning, so let's go ahead and get that cold start in, man, cause man, she sound mean after them Cook's headers. What's good, Versatile Squad, y'all? So we on the freeway, and man, don't she like to eat? She love eating on the freeway. But y'all, let's get to the topic. So what is it like to daily drive a Corvette, man? What is it like owning a Corvette? Especially at my age, I'm only 23, y'all. For those who don't know, I'm only 23. You're gonna get looks like, what is he doing in that car? Who daddy let him drive that car? You know, who grandpa gave him the keys to that car, huh? With them barely knowing, man, this your car, your name on that title, huh? Some people love to hate, and they don't want to see it, man. But at the end of the day, it's your whip. You're gonna be the one pushing it, driving it every day. So you ain't gotta worry about all that, man. Just enjoy your car. I'll tell y'all one story, man. I went to go get some food from, I think Whataburger. It was Whataburger. The cashier gonna go get her manager. The manager gonna come out and look like all side-eyed and shit. Like, I'm not supposed to be in this, man. Like, what? Like, you good? Man ain't even say nothing. He just shook his head. That was it. Other looks you gonna get, y'all, is gonna be because they like the car, you know. They proud that you in it. They like, some people, see, don't get me wrong, some people, they like to see young people doing their thing, man. And I applaud y'all, because y'all was here first. Y'all could be in this too. Y'all was here first. Y'all had the first shot at this, man. Just because I did it don't mean you can't still do it, all right? Don't be hating on me trying to count my pockets because I'm doing it now. I mean, you can still go and do it too. It ain't never too late to go get what y'all want, y'all. Second thing, y'all, gas. Gas really ain't too bad on this car, y'all, even after I've got the tune. The phone is about to die. Let me go ahead and plug this charger in. But even though since I've got the tune, I thought the gas mileage would change drastically. It really hasn't. That V4 mode, and actually it hurts the engine, y'all. I said it in my other videos, y'all. That V4 mode, when it cuts half of the cylinders, your tensioner is taking the damage from that, from cutting 4 cylinders and only relying on the other 4. That drastic change, it's like you know, the tensioner is such a small part. Any drastic change like that and that belt calms down like that, that's gonna put wear and tear on that hydraulic tensioner. So that's a part that's been going out a lot. I don't know if they fixed it in the future years, like in the 15 and up, because this is a 2014, and the 14, I know I have, I'm about to put a second tensioner on it. I replaced it about a year ago. And it's already going out. It's leaking bad like crazy. And I've been reading on forums online, they say that's due to the V4 mode, y'all. So if y'all do get a Corvette, make sure y'all get the AFM, that's the active fuel management deactivator. It's about $100, but it's worth it. Trust me, it's gonna save you some maintenance, y'all, some maintenance costs. Because what that does is that disables the active fuel management, so it's no longer trying to switch from V8 to V4 constantly. So when you're mashing on the gas and you slightly let off, it goes into V4 mode, y'all, and it gets quiet as hell. It's crazy. You won't even realize it's a V8, y'all, until you step on it, you know, in wide open throttle. But man, I didn't even realize it ate up the tensioner like that until I recently replaced it. I'm like, why is it going out already? Because when I got my headers put on, they're like, your tensioner's going bad. I told you about that. I was like, I replaced it. Like, it shouldn't be leaking. I don't know why it's leaking. But yeah, so that's due to the active fuel management system on the Corvette. Like I was saying though, gas isn't that bad. I get about 20 miles to the gallon, 19 to the gallon, y'all. If I'm just cruising, I'm chilling, I ain't mashing on the gas, y'all. And that's highway. I say about 16 to 17 city for the freeway, y'all. And I'm looking at it right now on the dash. So it's not too bad, y'all. And this is after the tune. With the tune, before the tune, I was getting about 25 to 30 miles per gallon without stepping on it, y'all, just chilling and cruising. So that's pretty dang good. And it's not a big difference like I was saying. So you can still travel with this, but when you travel with it, just make sure you're not constantly stepping on the gas, man, because you constantly stepping on the gas, it's you just burning it. You burning your money, literally. Especially right now with the way gas prices are right now. And see how that GoPro hold up, man. The acceleration in this thing, y'all. Y'all gonna love the acceleration. Once y'all get one, that acceleration is a different story, y'all. Going from a Nissan Pathfinder to this, man, you definitely, once you get in this, man, you officially earn your space cadet license, man, because you're in a spaceship. You're no longer in a vehicle, you're in a spaceship, man. But yeah, y'all, speaking of miles per gallon, we're actually about to stop and get some gas now. So I'm about to pull into this gas station, y'all, and see how much it costs for me to fill up. Alright, y'all, so with a Vette, you can actually choose 89 or regular, but that's gonna hurt the engine, y'all, and I'm guarantee y'all gonna feel the power loss from doing that. So we're gonna go ahead and fill up with that 93, man. Get it right. Alright, y'all, so we're actually 2 bars up, so we're right there at that line. And we are at 52, turn that copyright off. We are at 52.21, y'all, 15 gallons at $3.34, man. That thing there, eating it up. But yeah, y'all, gas isn't too bad for the Vette, y'all. It's only bad right now in Texas, y'all, especially since Biden, Biden in office, he done rose the prices up. The stimulus checks that came out. It's all good though, it costs to play. It costs to play. That's a big thing in this car scene, y'all. Anything y'all do to your car, it costs to play. So any modification you want to do to your car, you guaranteed to have to backdoor and buy some supporting factors to help make that mod work, y'all. But about to head and get back on the road, y'all. Alright, y'all, so we back rolling, y'all. But like I was saying, y'all, when you decide to upgrade one thing, ooh, hold on, we're getting onto that on-ramp, y'all. Had a little bit of a close call every lane and you gonna decide to get over in my lane because I'm speeding. Why? Man, that's another thing, y'all. Y'all got dumb drivers that's gonna get in y'all way just so they can see you fly by. That's another thing about having a vet. You're gonna have run into a lot of idiots, y'all. No bullshit. But yeah, y'all. As y'all can see, gas filling up the vet isn't too bad, y'all. It's basically like having a truck, to be honest with you. Cause sometimes I fill up once a week. Most of the time, twice a week, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I got a heavy foot. I just enjoy, you know, driving the car. With that being said, y'all, with driving the car so much and driving it hard every now and then or stepping on it every now and then, y'all, you're gonna have to change the oil pretty frequently. With changing the oil, you're guaranteed to spend at least about, say, $40 to $50 on oil change, depending on if you're changing your filter or not, which I recommend you always change your filter when you do your oil change, y'all. Don't do one at a time. I don't recommend that. I've always done that on my cars, y'all, and never had a problem with them. They've always ran flawlessly and never gave me a problem starting wise on the engine. Excuse me. But one reason why I always recommend you change your filter when you do your oil change is because you're getting some new oil in there. You might as well have a new filter in there because you're still gonna have some of that old oil laying around in the filter. You don't want that recirculating into your engine, y'all. Why? Just don't do it. Well, yeah, like I was saying, it's not too bad. It's around $40 to $50 if you do it yourself, which I do recommend, because you can go take it to somebody else. You don't know what they're doing to your car. They can tell you they're doing all the right things, y'all, but little do you know, something could have fell inside your car while they're doing the oil change. They could have stripped the bolt. They just gonna bolt it right up. They ain't gonna tell you nothing. They could see some flakes in your stuff. Thank you. See, look. See how they just move out the way? Thank you, thank you. You see me coming. They got a whole lane. Why you ain't move out my way? I could have been an asshole and just jumped in front of you, but I'm not. See, like I said yesterday, there's a time and a place for everything, y'all. You ain't always gotta be in go mode. Just when you're on that on-ramp, y'all, it's a must. It's a must. And you get an open freeway, you got to. But yeah, like I was saying, y'all, you never know what someone else is doing to your car, so I always recommend doing your own oil changes, y'all. Doing your own work. Because that way you know what you're doing to the car, y'all. And then you don't know what the person before you did to your car, so at least you can do is take care of it, right? You gotta do your job and take care of your car. Yeah. All I can say is thank you. That's another thing, y'all. With having a vet, people move out your way because they want to see your car, they want to hear the car. Man, that used to be me. I ain't gonna lie, that used to be me. And now it's like a reality, man. You in the car, you flying by people. It's crazy. But yeah, y'all, with that being said, I feel like I'm rambling on. That's gonna be it for this one. I remember to stay versatile, man, and treat each day like it's your Friday, and go at it like it's your last, because y'all can be like me, man, riding in this vet. And instead of watching me, y'all can be in it. So stay versatile, treat each day like it's your Friday, man, and go at it like it's your...